Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload high quality stories on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you need to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Once you have strong internet connection, then your stories will be of high quality and you will not face the issue of quality. And the second step is you need to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and if you find an update, you simply need to update your Instagram application. Once that step is completed, then you need to simply go on to the Instagram and click on your profile picture on the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings, and then you need to click on account, and here you need to scroll down until you will find an option of cellular data use. Click on that option and you need to turn that option off if you are using the cellular data, because if you are uploading with the story with the cellular data, then it will drastically reduce your quality. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.